Hello friends, it's November 2020 and we're going through the worst oil field depression in history. A lot of companies going out of business, people unemployed. So the question comes up, would it be a good time now to start investing in oil and gas? Now we hear a lot about energy transitions and alternate energy, but the numbers show that in 2019 oil and gas provided 57% of the world's energy. So it's very important. It's going to be very important and valuable for the foreseeable future, the oil and gas industry. So is it a good time to get into the oil and gas investments? Now I've noticed through my life that the economy can be going very good and some people are going broke. Some companies are going bankrupt. Or sometimes the economy is terrible, but some people and companies are doing very well. So what I've learned over my life is it's not as important about what's going on out in the world as what's going on in here, your thinking. So the last time we had a major oil crash was in 1986. And I have a longtime friend and colleague that wanted to get into the oil business at that time. So in 1987, he started talking to some of the colleagues and oil industry folks, and they said you should try to buy some oil and gas producing leases, while the prices are low, and just hold them. So he made a nice investment on some oil and gas producing leases in 1987. And over the years, those wells have continued to produce. He's recovered his investment several times over. And in the last few years, with the horizontal drilling and the shale drilling, those leases are worth now millions of dollars. And, things have happened that he could have never conceived 33 years ago when he bought the leases. So it worked out good for him. Another colleague of mine who I respect is an ex-BP resource manager that retired from BP about a year ago. And he called me 6 months ago to talk about the oil industry, properties for sale, that sort of thing, because he was considering getting into the oil business. So he has two friends, one a geologist and one a production engineer that are both retired, and so they're going to start their own oil company. And the last time I talked to him, he was at the bank opening up the checking account for their new company. So he thinks it's a good time to get into the oil business. So oil and gas is very important. It's not going away in the foreseeable future. So maybe it is a good time to get in. So I hope this is encouraging and informative. And if you have any questions about my friends and colleagues and their stories, just let me know. Thanks for watching.